Do you want to complete your 4000 watch time quickly on your YouTube channel? Then keep watching this video. Hi everyone, this is Sajil Heather from YouTube channel Blagil. In this video I will show you how you can complete your 4000 watch hour of your YouTube channel using multi-view browser on mobile phone. So now follow these steps. All you need to do is to follow step number 1, which is go to Play Store and search for multi-view browser. Now as you can see, it is a app called multi-view browser. Now install it and open the app. Now as you reach this app, now you can select single view, triple view or 4 view. It means you can select 4 tabs, 6 tabs or 2 tabs. So let's go for triple view. Now go to each tab and search for your YouTube channel. Now I want you to select any video from your channel, or you can also select the playlist. Now play the video. Play the video you want your watch hours to
Hello
complete.
everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Blagil.
So guys, as you can see, it is playing.
Hello everybody, welcome to.
But as you can also see, not all of them are playing. So now go to this plus icon and refresh. Now in next step, I want you to go to this 3 dotted button. Click here and click screen sleep off. After you select this, now your mobile phone screen won't go to sleep after you leave it. Now as you can see, all of my videos are playing simultaneously and it is adding some watch hours to my YouTube channel. Now I want you to go to here and select auto reload intervals. By selecting these, either 30 seconds or 90 minutes depending on your choice, you can auto reload your videos. It means it will boost the views and also the watch hours. So I will select 1 minute 30 seconds. After 1 minute 30 seconds, my each video will reload and one view will be added. And after selecting the time, you need to click on this button here. Auto reload start, intervals 1 minute 30 seconds. So follow all these steps and you can just sit back and relax and keep creating the content for your YouTube channel. And in the meanwhile, all your watch hour will be completed within 1 to 2 months depending on the time you give your watch hours. Anyways, if this video was useful, then make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel Blagil for more tutorials from my channel. See you guys in next video and don't forget to like this video. Goodbye.